Hello, this is Narayan Daily Timer. So this video basically explains how to make different settings on Narayan Daily Timer. So Narayan Daily Timer is a simple product which is a clock based timer. So this is available for various different loads. So this is available for motor loads and also lighting loads or any other load which requires switching on and off during a particular clock time. So the video main intention of this video is to explain the settings. So settings would remain same for all different modules, but however, if you want a specific module, you can always call us and let us know your requirements. So a daily timer, as mentioned, will switch on and off a particular load in a particular clock time. So Narayan daily timers will have up to 8 different clock settings. So for example, if you want a motor load to be switched on between 6 a.m. to 7 a.m., that will be your first time. So there are different on and off times. As I mentioned, there are 8 different time settings. So how we have split those times are: the first time setting would be on 1 off 1, the second time setting would be on 2 off 2, the third one will be on 3 off 3, and likewise it will go on up to on 8 and off 8. So suppose, let us say there is an application which requires the motor loads to be switched on and off periodically. The first time would be 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. That will be on 1 off 1. On 1 will be 6 a.m. and off 1 will be 7 a.m. Then the second would be 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. let us say. So in that condition, on 2 will be 12 p.m. and off 2 will be 13:00. So this time format we have here is a 24-hour format, and likewise it should be programmed in the 24-hour format cycle. Likewise, if you have another application which the third time between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., that is your on and off times. So on 3 and off 3 will be 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So 6 p.m. would be 18:00 and off 3 would be 18 plus 2, so that will be 20:00. So likewise you can set up to 8 different time settings. So just below the display you can see 3 buttons. So one says set, one is the decrease key, and one is the increase key. So the first setting would be to clear all the preset times. So in order to clear all these times which have been preset, the first thing what you'll have to do, this is the first step you'll have to follow before setting up this product. You'll have to press and hold the set key for a long time, so till you see an end. So before that, the display always reads out a time. So this time is the current time. So while we are recording the video, the time right now is 6:34 p.m. So this is the current time which is being displayed here. So yeah, the first setting would be to clear all the previous times. To do that, you are pressing and holding the set key for a long time. I'm pressing and holding till you see end. I'm pressing and holding, so there comes end. So end means all the previously set times are cleared. So once all the previous set times are cleared, then we will go into the actual settings. So in order to do the actual settings, so let us say the first time would be 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. That will be the first on and off one. So I'll press set button. We will see on 1. On 1 will be the first on time. So this is supposed to be 6 a.m. So increasing pressing the right button increases the time, and pressing the left button decreases the time. So pressing the right button increases the time. So this will be the 2 digits in minutes and 2 digits will be in hours. So once the minute crosses 60, the hour gets incremented. So likewise, long pressing this will up counter will run faster if you press for a long time. So 6 a.m. was the first time, so we will now arrive at 6:00. 6 a.m. is set button. You'll have to press the set button once. Then it asks for off 1. So 6 a.m. is the starting time, and what will be the running time? So or the switching off time, 7 a.m. in our case. So we are again setting the off 1. 7:39. I'll have to decrease the time in order to. This is just one time setting that you'll have to make. Pretty simple and pretty straightforward setting. So yeah, 7 a.m. is set button. Then if you need another time, so on 2 can be set to the second time if at all you need that. So likewise, on 2 off 2, on 3 off 3, you can go on up to on 8 off it. If you don't have any settings, you can just wait for a while till you see end on the display. You're just waiting so that all the times get saved. Right? Yeah, you will see end. So this means all the time which we have set is saved. Just to check what all times you have set, you can press the set button again. It will say on 1. So on 1 is set to 6 a.m. Okay. Then cross checking the off 1. pressing the set button, it will say off 1. Off 1 is set to 7:1. Okay, 7 o'clock, 1 minute. Just wait for a while till you see end. So that is just for the confirmation. So this is about the timing. So just in case you are using daily timer for the lighting loads or the street light conditions, so you are supposed to set 2 different times. So let us say if you want the time switching on time at 6 p.m. and switching off time at 6 a.m. So what you can do there is, since we are crossing a day in between, so you are supposed to set 2 different time intervals. So on one will be 18:00, that is 6 p.m. Off one will be 23:59, that is 11:59 p.m. And then again the second interval should be on 2, it will be 0:00, so means 12 a.m. it will switch on again, and off 2 will be 6 a.m. 6:00. So likewise only for the application which requires passing on a day, so which requires running throughout the night till the next day morning, so you will have to set 2 different times there. All the other applications is straightforward time setting. So we just saw about the setting different times. Post that we have another setting to explain. So the next setting would be to set the actual clock time. So the actual clock right now, according to the display, is according to the timer, is 18:37 or 6:37 p.m. Let us say the clock here is running slow or fast, and you want to set the clock timing of the device. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can press and hold all the 3 buttons together. Pressing and holding all the 3 buttons, we'll say time time. We'll just wait. You can set the time. So let us say if the time is 6:45 now, if you want to increase or decrease, you can set the time. So pressing the set button again will reset the time of the device. So the time of the device is now reset to 18:45, that is 6:45 p.m. So likewise, just in case if the device happens to run a few minutes slow or fast, you can always reset the times as well. I hope the video was clear. Any queries, you can always reach us out on 99722437774. I repeat, it's 99722437774. And also our website address is www.narayanelectrics.in. So you can browse all our different products, and you can even purchase our products on our website. So thank you for watching this video.